Hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. We got a little mail call to do, kind of an overdue mail call. Todd, I apologize. I've had this for several days and I just haven't had the time to sit down and open this thing up. So I got this package from Scrapman50 today, so I figured I best get this mail call done. So I know that this is a Christmas card from Todd. I appreciate that very much, my friend. Believe it or not, so far this year, the only Christmas cards I've gotten are from YouTubers. It says, Merry Christmas. It says, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you and your family, Dino. Happy scrapping, collecting, and hunting and pouring. Well, thank you, Todd. It says, wishing you every joy at this wonderful time of year for you to hold in your heart and then share with your loved ones so dear. Merry Christmas. Brother Dino, and a smiley face, and Todd. Todd, thank you very much. I appreciate this. I apologize for not getting to it sooner, but I did want to get it done, and I figured I better do it now. I got this because I don't know even when I'm going to have time to do anything else till after Christmas. So Todd, again, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Guys, Merry Christmas to everybody. So we have another package from Scrapman50. He sent me another email and asked me about foreign coins, if I collected them, and I do some. But he said he had a whole bunch of foreign coins that he was going to get rid of, and I said, well, if you don't want them, you can send them this way and we can use them for giveaways. Once again, I want you to hear this. I thought he was sending a few foreign coins. I just knocked everything over on my desk, so I guess this is a few foreign coins to him. So let's open this up. I can tell you right now, we're probably not going to have the time to go through everything he sent, because once again, you just heard that box hit the desk here, and it was it's more than a few, let's say. So anyhow, let's see if we can just take a quick glance at what he sent. And amazingly, kudos to you. It's amazing to hear me say this, but kudos to USPS, because this actually got here on time. Okay, there's nothing else in that box. Okay, guys, what he says here, he says, hello, Dino. Enclosed is a package. You will find a collection of old foreign coins. There are a few coins around 100 years old, but nothing older than 1900. I've also included a couple silver coins, a Canadian 80%, a Cuban 50%. You will also find a roll of 2-cent coins from the Caribbean islands from 1965. They are demonetized and salt damaged. I kept all these coins and rolls and over a water jug on my shelf in the garage for the past 5 years. Somehow a McDonald's salt packet got into the jug and literally destroyed the entire roll of paper. Was emerald green. I was going to melt them down and refine them into pure copper, but I thought, nah, I'll send them to Dino. You'll also find a few extra goodies I tossed in the box. Enjoy. Do whatever you want with these coins. Melt them down, keep them, or give them away. Thanks for your great videos. Looking forward to watching your next laser pickup recovery video, possibly in January. Laugh out loud. Scrapman50. Well, sir, I do appreciate it. Like, once again, I was expecting a few things, and there is actually pounds. So let's see what we got here and see if we can see this green roll he's talking about. I'm thinking it's this. McDonald's salt damage bronze. So I'm curious about that. Let's see what that is. Well, not horribly damaged. Well, I guess maybe a little bit, but Yeah, that one's a little rough, but there's a couple in here that are pretty good. Cool. Okay, so some of them got a little icky and some of them didn't. There's probably a few that can be salvaged out of this batch. I'm going to see and do some research on that and see if there's a way I can clean those up. They're actually a pretty coin. Let's see if I can get one out of here that, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it's actually a pretty coin. That would have been cool. 1965. Would have been cool if they were mint state. See, I mean, they still got the luster, but I can see what he was talking about. So anyway, we'll do some research on those. If nothing else, we will, as he said, melt them down. And then I'm not going to go open all this stuff, guys. There's bunches of stuff in here that I can see. Some British pennies. Looks like some English. Is that maybe possibly German? It's a nice little bunch of coins, let's put it that way. Well, anyhow, I just wanted to show you what we got. Once again, Todd, thank you very much for the card. I really do appreciate it. Scrapman50, thank you for the bag full of coins and the stack full of coins. We will go through those, and like I said, most of these are more than like, I'm going to keep a couple for my collection, but more than likely most of these are going to go into drawings and giveaways. Guys, I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody, because I probably won't get any videos out till after Christmas. I know everybody's busy this time of year, so everybody understands. And have a great Christmas and a great, healthy, and happy, prosperous new year. And we will see you guys in the next video.